And it's probably a good idea for you to meet the neighbors. And it's probably a good idea for you to meet the neighbors before we get too deep in escrow and before you start spending money, because you're going to be spending money in escrow. You're going to be writing checks or using Zelle or Venmo or one of the online systems to make a payment, even a credit card. What are these things? Well, you're going to be paying for a home inspection. If the property has a pool, maybe a separate pool inspection. If the property has issues with the roof and we can't get adequate information from a home inspector, or if the home inspector finds something further that they can't explain and can't cover with their knowledge and experience, or suggest that they do see a problem, but they want that particular type of inspector to look at it, then we will get that inspector and we will have them come out to the property. That could cost more money. So when I have a buyer, it's really important for me to get those buyers to door knock those neighbors to find out who's living around.